everyone, here I am yet again, and we've come such a long way to reach this night. Still just as starstruck and awe-inspired as I was the last time, but I'll get through this, I hope. It's such a joy and a real honor to welcome you to the opening night of the 21st Cinemalaya Film Festival here at Shangri-La Plaza. This isn't just another event for us, it's actually a milestone. Tonight, we open our doors to stories that reflect who we are as Filipinos, brave and beautifully complex. When we began Culture in Focus, our intention was clear: to make Shangri-La Plaza a place where art isn't just seen, but deeply felt. A place where film, music, and ideas can move us and bring people together. And seeing Cinemalaya come to life here in our mall tells us that we are on the right track. The reception has been incredible, from ticket sales to the energy here at the Red Carpet Cinema. It's apparent that the love for stories like these is strong and growing, and that gives us so much hope, not just for the Philippine cinema, but also as a nation. Because through these films, we discover the power of our voices and the many ways they can move and change the landscape. Allow me to take this opportunity to congratulate in advance Director Riz Galian and Ms. Kate Inga, along with the entire CCP and Cinemalaya family. This festival thrives because it's built by people like you who are unwaveringly passionate about the arts and creative expression and who believe in the brilliance and resilience of the Filipino people. As Layag sets sail here at Shangri-La Plaza, may this be the beginning of a lasting collaboration, one where we journey together as partners, storytellers, artists, and audiences, championing the art of film and the many truths it dares to tell. Thank you and have a great evening.